To fix Robinhood not letting you withdraw money, start by checking your account status and ensuring it is active and not restricted. Log into your Robinhood account and verify that your account is fully activated and there are no restrictions or holds on your account. If your account is restricted, you will need to resolve the issue before you can withdraw your money. Next, check if you have sufficient funds in your account to withdraw. Make sure you have enough money in your account to cover the withdrawal amount and any applicable fees. If you have recently sold stocks or other investments, the funds may not be available for immediate withdrawal due to settlement periods. Another common issue that can prevent withdrawals is two-factor authentication. Ensure that your two-factor authentication is set up and working correctly. If you are having trouble with two-factor authentication, try resetting it or contacting Robinhood support for assistance. You should also check for any pending transactions or deposits that may be holding up your withdrawal. If you have a pending deposit or transaction, you may need to wait until it is processed before you can withdraw your money. If none of these steps resolve the issue, try restarting the Robinhood app or logging out and logging back in. This can sometimes resolve technical issues that may be preventing you from withdrawing your money. If you are still having trouble, contact Robinhood support directly for assistance. They can help you identify and resolve any issues that are preventing you from withdrawing your money. Be prepared to provide your account information and a detailed description of the issue you are experiencing. It is also a good idea to review Robinhood's terms and conditions to ensure you understand their withdrawal policies and procedures. This can help you avoid any potential issues in the future and ensure that you can withdraw your money when you need it. By following these steps and troubleshooting common issues, you should be able to resolve the problem and withdraw your money from Robinhood. Remember to always review your account status and transaction history to ensure that everything is in order before attempting to withdraw your money.